this problem from complex number, and the problem is if a and b are positive real numbers and a to the power z this is equal to b, so that the general value of z is given by this expression where m and n are both integer. Right? Here we use two important results of complex number. The first one is very popular result or popular form, that is the general value of log z. Okay, and the general value of log z is log z. This is written as capital log z. This is log of mod z plus I into 2n pi plus theta. Okay, where mod is the modulus of z and theta is the amplitude. Okay, and amplitude means the value of theta, this is less equal to pi and greater than minus pi. Okay, and the second use result is if a and z are complex number and a obviously not equal to 0, then we can write capital log of a to the power z, that is the general value of a to the power z is z into log a plus 2n pi I. Here also this is the general value of a log a, sorry. Okay, now here we take on both sides, this is capital log of a to the power z, this is equal to capital log of b. Okay, and using the second result here we get from this relation, this is given by z into capital log of a plus 2n pi I. Okay, and the right side is obviously same, capital log of b, and from here we get the value of z, this is equal to capital log of b minus 2n pi I by capital log of a. Okay, now it is given that a and b are positive real number. Okay, and positive real number means mod a, this is equal to a, and it can be written as this is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Okay, and we write this is as a, this is equal to mod a into this, because mod a is positive real number. So we get mod a, this is equal to a, and get amplitude of a, this is equal to 0. Right? And similarly from b we get b, this is equal to mod b into cos 0 plus I sin 0, because b is real and b is positive also. So we get the same result, this is mod b, this is equal to b, and this is amplitude of b, this is equal to 0 degree. Right? Now we get general value of log b and general value of log a, as this is log b, and using this result we get small log of mod b plus I into 2n pi plus 0, because here amplitude is 0. So we get this is log b plus 2n pi I. Okay, and from the log a we get directly log a, this is equal to log a plus 2n pi I. Okay, now here we use two integer, here n and here n, we change this integer n to p. Okay, n to p, because both are integer and both may be different integer. Here we take p and n belongs to z. Right? Now putting two value of log b and log a here, we get the result as this is log b, so we get log b plus 2p pi I minus 2n pi I, and from the lower portion we get this is log a plus 2n pi I. Okay, so it can be written as log b plus 2 into p minus n into pi I, and from the lower portion we get log a plus 2n pi into I. Okay, and we take p minus n. This is another integer m. This is also belongs to z. So we get this is log b plus 2m pi by this is log a plus 2n pi, right, where m and n belongs to yes z, capital Z. This is the set of integer and this is the general value of z. Very easy problem, and we solve this problem very easily using these two important property of complex number. Thank you for watching.